Hello, you are welcome to another segment of today's class, Primary 1 English class. Today we are going to do an important topic and I hope you are going to enjoy this because it is your favorite. Now our topic today is songs and rhymes. I hope you like to sing songs.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Songs and rhymes. That's our topic today. Songs and rhymes. Songs and rhymes. Now, in your own knowledge, you know what song is. But we are going to look at what song is and what we use song for. Song is words we say with a tune. Is song we say is a word we say with a tune. You say a word, come is a word, go is a word, run is a word. But when you use it with a tune, then we call it song. Like when you say go, go, go away. All these are words, but when we say go, go, go away, it becomes what? A song. The way we used to say rain, rain, go away, come again another day, little children want to play. You see, this is a word, but when we join it together, it becomes what? Song. Now, this is song. Why? Because you have used it with a tune. So we are going to do it with rhyme. Say rhyme.
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 Rhyme is, instead of using different words, we use words that have the same sound to make the song sweet. I hope you like sweet songs.
Yes.
If you like sweet song, let me see your hand. That's very good. So we are going to use words that have the same sound, that is rhyme, and we are going to use tune to sing it so that it will turn to song. That is what we call songs and rhymes. Okay? The same way we said rain, rain, go away, come again another day, little children want to play. Say it. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, little children want to play. Okay? Now, who else can sing another one for me?
Me.
If you can sing another one, let me see your hand. Okay. Okay, sing one for us.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. I'm above the world so high, bouncing diamond in the sky. When the rising sun is gone, when the darkness come along, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle, all the light.
Very good. Very good. Now we are going to join her and we are going to sing it together, okay? It's just a word that has rhyme and we are going to use it with our tune. Then we form our song, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Everybody, let's go. 1, 2, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above the world so high, like
A diamond in the sky.
okay, we are going to stop here. We are going to stop there. We are going to see how we can use these songs to learn. Do you know that song can tell us a story? Yes, those songs you sing, some of them tells us a story. So this is what we call songs and rhyme. Songs and rhyme. So in the next time, we are going to do more of it. Okay? If you're happy, can I see your hand? Okay, that's very good. So we are going to meet next time in this same class, Den of Knowledge, Primary 1. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.